It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about XRP. We're going to bring a little news here. We're going to talk the price. We're going to talk about the price direction and where it's going. Alright, so at the time of the video, XRP is going for $1.09. This is a weekly chart. It is down 15.33%. Let's see what's good and what's doing with the last 24 hours. We have XRP up 1.38%. This is just some news here from fxstreet.com. I am not going to read the entire article. We're just going to look at the bullet points here and have a tidbit here or there. If you want to find this article, just do a quick Google search. This is the headliner. SEC versus Ripple case takes another turn, making investor bullish on XRP. Japanese financial services giant SBI Holdings is launching a crypto asset fund which invests in XRP. For those of you that don't know about SBI Holdings, these guys are pretty big. So for them to launch a crypto asset fund that is already investing into XRP, it tells you that these guys are not in it to lose. They're in it to win it, so you best believe that they're going to secure their handsome profits, and you could expect that price to jump back up. Spike in address activity noted on September 10th rescues the altcoin's price from plunging further. That's right, XRP could have went down even more. I'm going to show you that a little bit later in the video. XRP Army prepares to represent their interest in Securities Exchange Commission's lawsuit against Ripple. So of course this is just referring to the ongoing lawsuit that seems to never freaking end. This lawsuit has been going on for quite a while, and it's a lot of the same thing. A lot of delays, a lot of the SEC looking like complete fools. They don't know what they're talking about, and every time they think they're gonna get something on Ripple, they just further embarrass themselves even more. Before we continue with this video, just a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. We're going to take a look here at this chart for XRP. This is a monthly chart. I have charted out 3 different levels of support, and then we have a higher resistance level for the month. Look, right now we're just going to start down here, which I did not mark with anything, but this is just the absolute bottom on the month. It's about 88 cents, okay? Right now, XRP is nowhere near 88 cents. However, if there is a sudden breakdown there, just keep in mind that that is possible. Anything is very possible with cryptocurrency. The scenario, though, in which that happens overnight, very, very highly unlikely. This is the first level of support right here, $1.04. This is a very real possibility that XRP heads down that road. Right here, XRP is at $1.09. It could push further south where we did have that $1.04 marker all the way over here. That was pretty much at the beginning of the month in terms of the 30-day chart. And then it has just gone up, up, up. And then it finally went back down. So it's been nearly a month. And then as opposed to where it came back up here to swing at that 109. So please do be cautious. If you see that running down to around that $1.04, that is a good accumulation zone to ride it back up to the current 109. And of course beyond 109. So that's just another accumulation zone to hit. But also do note that if it hits 104, the next step is down, and that is all the way down here. But it will of course test different support levels a bit down. You know, it's not, more than likely it's not going to just go jumping down. But we have seen scenarios where it does. For example, all the way up here, XRP was at 140 something, and then boom, it just plummeted all the way down. But this is the next level of support right here, $1.19. I think this is a zone where a lot of people are trying to swing trade from that current 109 to about 119. I personally am big on XRP. I think it is a future currency. It is one to hold for the long term. However, I have no problem with people doing swing trades. There's this whole thing going around with cryptocurrencies, with stocks, diamond hands, and this and that. At the end of the day, you're not giving me money for me to invest. If I was to invest with your money, I would follow your calls. We can do what you want, yada, yada, yada. This is just a guideline right here for what you want to do. So swing traders, I'm not mad at them. Go ahead, get your money. At the end of the day, if you're playing and you're trying to short a cryptocurrency or a stock, you will get severely burned. Therefore, you always got to have a plan. Don't just go swing trading without having some long-term positions, because at the end of the day, the market will dictate what the market dictates. So if you're into going shorts all the time, you're going to get burned severely. The next support level is at $1.26. I think right now this is actually the best zone right here to jump from this $1.09, because it will jump basically two support levels, one up here, the first one, and then $1.26. Now we have after that the resistance level. This is going to be a difficult level in my opinion to jump that hurdle, about $1.35. When we do cross that though, depending on what happens with the price movement, I think we're going to see a swift, quick jump into the 140s again. So this is definitely that resistance level. In the short term, I think it could happen, but I'm not totally positive that this one is going to be jumped and broken through quickly. Of course, this is all dependent on SEC news. The fact that we have had the SEC news going around basically since what, December, January, and XRP is already at the price where it is. Remember, XRP at one point was 11 cents. So for XRP to do a 10x on that, it's pretty much at a good state right now. Because this is with all the FUD, this is with all the negativity, all of the haters saying that XRP is going nowhere, that it isn't going to do anything. It's at a pretty good state right now. So imagine what happens when the whole SEC case is done and over with, and there is true, complete, transparent clarity. That's going to be a great moment for XRP and for the XRP army and the XRP holders. There's always money to be made. Make sure that you're swinging on these levels if you're a swing trader. If you don't swing trade, this need not apply. Keep holding. At the end of the day, you're going to win. You're probably going to win bigger than the traders if you have this as a long-term vision, depending on how many XRP you already have. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so we can have more eyeballs seen on this video and move it on that YouTube algorithm. If you didn't like the video, keep the FUD to yourself, give it a thumbs down. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel, as it helps tremendously. That notification bell, make sure to get on that so you can stay notified, informed, and up to date. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.